Good morning from my luxury beachfront accommodation. Judging by the Halloween decorations, it appears to have been closed for a month since it's the 1st of December today, and it has lovely views of the sea. Very nice. I've had such a comfy sleep on my borrowed beach bar couch cushions. I've had a lovely lie-in. I could stay here much longer, but I should probably go and do something with my day, comfy as I am. Incredibly, these ruins at Enkomi are a ticketed site, so I'm going to save my money because I'm heading to Salamis, which I think is going to be a lot more expensive and worth a wander. The Church of St Barnabas was spared the looting and destruction that was the fate of many other churches in Turkish North Cyprus when the authorities turned it into a museum. A lot of Greek Cypriots report being disappointed it is being used for monetary gain now instead of religious purposes, but are also glad that it has been preserved. For me personally, I've seen the interior of many Greek Orthodox churches lately, so didn't feel the need to pay to enter this one. Instead, I had a look at this free chapel on the grounds, which houses the tomb of St Barnabas. And this is said to be the tomb of St Barnabas, patron saint of the church turned museum. Cucumber, biscuits, cake, chocolate, 2 types of cheese and some cheap bread. All came to 160 lira, or a bit over €5, making groceries much cheaper on this side of the island. 2 years ago, my 100 Australian dollars bought me 600 lira. Then in 2022, it bought me almost 1,000 lira. And now at the end of 2023, I'm getting almost 2,000 lira for my 100 Australian dollars. It doesn't make me 3 times as wealthy here because prices have gone up accordingly. So my purchasing power is about the same, I think. But it means for Turkish people with savings, they now have a third internationally on the international market as what they did just 2 years ago. That looks like kennels for stray dogs. I could sleep in one of those. The nice man let me in for student price as well. I've seen better preserved colonnaded streets, but the size of this complex is massive. I nearly walked straight past this from the outside. It just looked like a few rocks. But I guess there used to be a church. water. We're going in, probably far too close. In the distance there is a bit of forest land between the high rises, and that's where I hope to camp tonight. Hello. What's this? This isn't even a registered campsite. Awesome. Oh, there's people swimming. Maybe it's not that cold. Do I risk a December dip? The sun's almost gone down. Okay, let's get this over with. Ooh. Ooh. Just long enough to clean armpits, and that will have to do. Oh, that's freezing. I found some Cypriot wine, but I only found the medium one. Usually I get the dry, and this is officially not good. Cheers. What a fun day, and it is great to be properly camping on the beach again.